The sentence on the board is a collision. Its first half and its last word are pulling in opposite directions, and a native listener feels the crunch even if they cannot name it. Let's name it. The present perfect have plus the past form makes a claim about now. This happened at some point and it matters at this moment. That is why it refuses to sit next to any word that closes the time. Yesterday, last week, in 2019, 2 years ago, each of these closes the time window. The moment one appears, the past simple takes over because the sentence is now about then, not about now. So the hook sentence repairs in one move. I saw him yesterday. The time word stays. The verb steps back to the past simple to match it. The perfect earns its place when the time is unstated, and the present result is the point. I have seen this movie, so don't spoil it. She has already left, so stop waiting. No time word and the sentence is about now. Many Indian languages use one perfective form for both jobs, and the perfect feels more finished, more polite, so it gets reached for everywhere. The ear-level cue that survives conversation speed. Hear a finished time word, say the past simple. You are telling a colleague about last month's conference trip. Rebuild the sentence on the board. Scan for time words. Last month appears once and it governs both halves of the sentence. The window is closed for everything in it. Step both verbs back to the past simple and say it once. I visited Delhi last month and met the whole team there. I visited Delhi last month and met the whole team there. The trap. The second verb hides. Speakers fix the first have and leave the second one standing. A shared time word closes the window for every verb it covers. You finished a certification in March and you are telling a recruiter. Option A. I have completed the certification in March. Option B. I completed the certification in March, which is natural. The answer is B. I completed the certification in March. In March closes the window and a closed window takes the past simple. The perfect would need the time left unsaid. The perfect claims it matters now, so it refuses a finished time. A finished time word hands the verb to the past simple. Next video. Since and for 6 words that carry 2 errors. The drill set for this chapter is in the ExamMaster app.